gathered here today to celebrate the life of old Frigo Glouton.
Who's that?
I think it's the fridge that you want to make up.
He was taken too soon. He had a life to live.
How did he die?
He was found dead. His food was all over the floor, and a nerve bullet was found in his food compartment.
What is a food compartment?
It's the bit where the food is. It was in the fridge biology book.
There's a fridge biology book.
Yeah.
Who's gonna buy a fridge biology book?
Someone who likes fridges. Let's bury him.
Right, yeah.
That was horrible. Let's get to conspiring. Definitely that Frigo Glouton was a government experiment. They're made to prove it. Think about it. He had a Saddam Hussein hiding spot. He was in a bit with rubble. He had a fan and a thing. So how would they have found him? The reason how I think he would is that
What
he
on
put a
earth
tracking
are you
device.
doing in my house?
Conspiracy. Fuck. Conspiracy about how you didn't kill our Frigo Glouton.
But I did kill him.
No, you didn't. Because of conspiracy about him. How you didn't.
Who are you?
Conspiracy Job's the leader of the conspiracy group.
Definitely full of schizos, that is.
It is.
Right, get out of my house.
This is conspiracy group
No,
HQ now.
no, it's not. It's my bloody house.
Bloody!
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's the blood man! Larry, Derry, Harry, Berry, oh my god. Oh my god, there's the blood man!
There's nothing there. Oh, who are you? What's this? Who are you?